Hello, and welcome to the Fogler Library tutorial about how to troubleshoot database access. This tutorial will talk about different strategies you can use when you try to get access to an online database or article and it doesn't work. If you're trying to access a database or article Fogler Library subscribes to and it isn't working, the first thing we recommend is that you clear the cache and cookies for the browser you're using. You can do this by going to your Settings or Options menu in your browser. In Firefox, for example, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your browser, select Settings, and then choose Privacy and Security in the menu bar on the left to get to the section called Cookies and Site Data. In Chrome, click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. One of the available options in the list is Delete Browsing Data. Whatever browser you're using, after you've cleared your cache and cookies, close your browser and reopen it. The second thing you can do is to log into your University of Maine portal before visiting the library homepage. You can find the portal login page at https://umaine.edu/portal. You'll use your Main Street username and password to log into your portal, the same username and password you'd use to log into your University of Maine email account. Once you've logged in the tiled display to the left side of the screen, you should be able to find a tile labeled Fogler Library. Click on that tile to go to the library homepage. Because you're already logged in, you should have access to all the library subscription resources without having to log in again. If for some reason you logged into your portal and you don't have a Fogler Library tile as part of your tiled display, you can get in touch with Fogler's circulation department and they can help you. You can get in touch with them at um.library.circ@maine.edu. If you can't get access to the article you're looking for within a database, you can always search for the journal in which that article was published by clicking on the Journals button on the library homepage and then searching in the library search catalog. The catalog record for the journal will show you all the databases a journal appears in and what date range for the journal each database contains. It will also tell you which University of Maine system libraries have print copies of the journals and for what date range. If you're still having trouble, or if you're not able to read an article you should have access to, you can always use the contact information on the Library Search Catalog homepage to get in touch with the librarian. We'll be happy to help you.